What's up? I'm Jacob, I'm the founder of Sub, and I want to show you how you can start a paid Discord server in literally 2 minutes. Let's jump in. Okay, so let's claim the username Jacob. Let's just double check it's available. We will add an email, we'll add a quick password, we'll accept those T's and C's, create an account, and instantly, we now have a checkout page ready for our community to go to and purchase from us. We can come in here, we can design it, we can make it look like our brand and us as a creator. But first thing we need to do is actually add a Discord connection. So head to the connections tab, we're gonna go connect platform. We're in the process currently of integrating Telegram, WhatsApp, and Slack, so you can do that too. We're gonna add Discord. We already have a server in this case. We're gonna connect the Sub bot. And in this case, I am going to select this Discord right here. We're gonna go authorize. And just like that, we have connected our Discord server. First, we will verify that connection. Cool, good to go. Pricing tiers, we are gonna add a couple of different tiers based on what we wanna offer to our audience. I'm gonna have a basic tier, which is $4.99 per month. We will also have a VIP tier, which is gonna be $9.99 per month. We'll create a tier. And now we just need to add some premium roles that our subscribers will receive if they purchase either of these tiers. So we'll edit the tier. We'll jump into our Discord connection. We're gonna select the member role for this case. We're gonna go save. For the VIP, we are going to add the member role, but we're also going to add the VIP role. We're gonna save that. There's just one last step you need to complete here just to ensure that the sub bot can manage those permissions effectively inside your server. Otherwise, we are good to go. Okay, so the last thing you gotta do is add a bank account and your tax details just so that we can pay you out as a creator. All you gotta do, click the complete payouts button, select your taxable country, so let's just go United States, and I will spare you the details. You can fill this in yourself. Cool, so now that we have onboarded with our bank account, we are good to go. We can just simply click publish page, and as you can see, sub.me/Jacob, we can go and preview that right now. And look at that. There's also free trials, so we can actually jump in, edit the tier, and for the VIP, we're gonna try and incentivize this tier. So let's go 3 days, and we'll jump back to our live sub. And as you can see, when they click VIP, 3-day free trial ready to go. That's how easy it is to start your paid Discord server using Sub. Jump in right now, claim your username. These usernames are getting taken super fast. There's actually just one last page that I want to show you that is the most fun page out of all of them, especially when you have live paying subscribers. So let me just take you into my personal sub, which is Jacob's Dev Club. You can check it out right now, sub.me/Jacob. And if we head to the analytics page, you can see we've got our 30-day revenue compared with our 60-day revenue. We've got our monthly recurring, we've got subscribers to win back, which is a feature that's coming. So anyone that is canceling or in the process of canceling, you'll be able to see them right here. You can see all your recent transactions, and there is much more data on the way. So jump in right now, sub.me, start your paid Discord server. And if you have any feature requests or any platform requests that you want supported, send me an email, send me a DM. I'd love to jump on a call with you. All right, see you inside.